In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use sequence function in Excel. To get started, open the Excel workbook where you want to generate a sequence of numbers. This function is especially useful when you need a quick numbered list without typing each value manually. It can save time and make your worksheet more dynamic, especially when you're building templates or organizing data. Once your workbook is open, select the cell where you want the sequence to begin. For this example, click cell B2. This will be the starting point where Excel places the formula, and from there the results will automatically fill into nearby cells. Now, with cell B2 selected, type the sequence formula, enter equals, then sequence, followed by an opening parenthesis 10 and then a closing parenthesis. So the formula is equal sign, sequence, open parenthesis 10, close parenthesis. This tells Excel to generate a sequence of 10 numbers. You can also modify the formula depending on the kind of sequence you want. For example, if you want to generate 5 numbers starting from 20, replace the formula with equals sequence, open parenthesis 5, comma, 1, comma, 20, close parenthesis. This returns the numbers 20 through 24. In this version, the first number sets how many rows you want, the second sets the number of columns, and the third sets the starting number. If you want to generate 6 numbers with an increment of 3, replace the formula with equals sequence, open parenthesis 6, comma 1, comma 3, comma 3, close parenthesis. This creates a list from 3 to 18, increasing by 3 each time. This is helpful when you need intervals instead of consecutive numbers. You can also generate numbers across columns instead of down rows. To do that, replace the formula with equals sequence, open parenthesis 1, comma 8, close parenthesis. This creates a horizontal sequence stretching across 8 columns. After entering any of these formulas, press enter. Excel will automatically spill the results into the surrounding cells. That means you only need one formula, and Excel fills in the rest for you. Finally, view the result. If you use the first example, you'll see the numbers 1 through 10 appear in the cells below B2. And that's it. That's how to use the sequence function in Excel to quickly generate number patterns in a simple and efficient way.